In this land, there's a world hidden in plain sight, teeming with life all around us. But this habitat, constantly buzzing with activity, is no rainforest or great savanna, although it does come with a watering hole. It's a traditional British pub garden. The pub garden is one of the few places where large numbers of people and wildlife can exist in complete harmony. Bees drink their sweet nectar just as we sip on our own. Birds enjoy their lunches as people tuck into pub classics. Our island nation has 27,000 pub gardens, both urban and rural. Each one of these has the potential to become a haven for wildlife. Here, in this pub garden, we can see efforts at turning the space into a biodiverse sanctuary bearing remarkable fruit, with species large and small all counting themselves as regular pubgoers. A female blackbird forages for food to feed her hungry chicks back at the nest. The male collects his own feast, a large mouthful of insect larvae. Meanwhile, a robin swoops across the pub garden, adding an iconic red-breasted flourish. Wood pigeons, the largest and most common pigeon, are another familiar feathered sight, spectators to the everyday activity of the pub garden. Blue tits, given a helping hand by the publican, have made this bird box into a home, heading out in search of food for their young. Success! A caterpillar is the special on today's menu. Jackdaws and a dunnock go about their business as the pub's punters arrive for the first round of the day. Among the pub's many plants, the local bees busy themselves for the day. Furrow bees collect pollen in the baskets on their hind legs to carry back to the nest. A buff-tailed bumble is at it too, pollen baskets full to the brim. Meanwhile, a large red damselfly takes flight in the afternoon sun, and a small white butterfly flutters its wings. Perhaps unbeknownst to today's drinkers, the undergrowth in the pub garden is also alive with activity. And the wildflower meadow in particular is the perfect habitat for the pub's smallest patrons to thrive. A woodlouse hurries along the soil, whilst an almost invisible stick-like stenodema moves steadily through the grass, accompanied by shield bugs and a millipede minding its own business. Beyond the meadow, a white-lipped snail processes past drinkers, lapping up the afternoon sun. Its eyes held on the longer upper tentacles, whilst the lower tentacles serve its sense of smell. Here, a smooth newt, just one of 3 species in the UK, moves in search of food, thankful for the pub's water feature. And so, another busy day at the pub garden comes to a close, for both visiting humans and the resident wildlife. But without the efforts of the publican, this could be a very different story for nature. That's why we need all pubs to become like this one. With just a little effort, our locals can all become nature's locals too. Warner's Nature Marque, making space for nature.